sports in the face. Nampak ani kau menteri yang minister orang burung sejauh
Katrat sport jong ka sarkar jela hakrisat jan kala penun kam da kaktian kasi haka jing rakhi ya ka national sport day kabalong ha megalias katrian kadiru kasian kapani kong haka jela ba katrat hapo kajilam jong menteri katrat uba bante dor lingdo ringkat ka director ka kong WAM boot kin penun kam da kaktian kasi hakum kate kasi khrau jong kinong yele kai ukong san habakren swaban penkup burom ki samla ki bawan ra burom ya ka jela na kaji khun karate athletic batru kinong job haka under 17 Suvarto Cup international football tournament bat national sub junior football championship arja khandai arjar phau ulong ba ka jingjob jong kinong ila ka hi ka dei ka dak jong ka jing tristom ki coach hakani ka singi boro kinong ila ka kan thup ya ki coach kilayo e ka song pisa ka ba mar sipo ja tengka marwei kum ka jing ithu eki
nakaliang ka sports department ngilong ki bala kloy ngong ipi banyakit banya baalang banya ai ka ketika mon ketika diang ban kentiu ya ka kamile kai hapo ka sports hapo ka jela ko jong deina takada bakani ka program mentasngi ka bangila tmu la slamba henry lingba pilai ki jinglong ki jingman hapo ka state ki jongi menta arsenal kibun ki banganum kwa ban kerenang ni ki bangi tengku na kapor bat hadin pat wan so ni covid-19 handai ladangi apsi ap la sayo kut skapor naman ngila dabong bangin sapen kup buram ya kini ki khon samla ki jongi tingem tep ya kai ke ban sawan nang ni syakmat handai kum shibenta au pi baga government jongi kam kwa ban syong klikti ngidai ban trai tangbang ihap ban yada ladi hakum gani kapor kadai kapor ka bae bat kapor ka bangi kendu sisa iki bangi menang dan bataya ka long brio man brio henrai kani kadai pat kenuksa da ka ba ngila bot baik bot renti yaki protokol belabo dekat government of India. Banyathu syafi katu katne yaki ai ki jingthmu jong sarkar ko jong ki bangi dai ban le ban kentiu yaka kamile kai hapo ka jela ko jong kanum syukut no tang bangi pelong tournament kanum syukut no tang bangi lai kemen melayo medal kamdai ban syukut no tang mengilak ban pelong i function dari ke bakongsan kadai bakumno nang ni syakmat nginiat manang kentiu ya ka state ke jongi khamtam ka bai dai ba ka kamila ka kasab ka ba ublai ula ai hakinong song snong ki jongi ngilong sisa ki badan sab adu tata ngilong talented habaro ki jingi lek kai tang ba don kam kinong betul lenti don kam ba sarkar kan i jengai ni haban pelut ladangi kwa ban i ba ki khun samla jungi kinang yo benta ba kinang kieu ka kamila kai nyimla ban supai ban suhun ba pidon ka sap phile hi philadep phi job la biang bat ngidei ban weng ya kata ka jing sngo ka ego bat ka attitude ngani thu phi numla bangin ya chakmat lanu ni haban ya ngani thu pi tang kawai ke jing yetrei lang bar ke jing suret ngakwa ban ong ye pi hang ni kinong yo benta kinong sya pen kup buram kinong yalam ki coach ki supporting staff ki manager kino ki badan hapo kino ki dipat kino ki assistant kan ma batang kawai ngidon kam ye ke jing yetrei lang bar ke jing suret ladangi kwa sisa ban i bakas state jongi kanang ki ngila ban numbiang na kaliang ke department ke jongi ngila ban don jing duna hanrai ngong ipi ladang i don pat ya ka jing mut basai bat ka bakhoi ban kentiu ya ka kamila ka kalat bat kalenti kan play na banta jongi lang baro menshim snam ngiladap ban pelong ya ka meklia state league football men hau February ngirang dap pelong ya kami khlia game hadian khat nriu snam ngio ban pelong biang ban lengba ka jing trai sitom jong ini ki staff ki jong ni ka jing trai sitom jong ka directorate jong ka department jong ka sports department ka jing trai sitom jong ki staff ki jong ni kalong sisa ka bayaj bayaj ranti pat ka bacop ngatharai ngidang expect magidang ong balanong inyo pelong biang ya kami lihat ke tang bah balong kum ni mentangin lek kum do ya kendu ik jing handai tang ka wei bangin bu ik jing duai hau boleh try kendra bakini gi ke ibro uniu knyang jing pang bang yele seja no si sendon nagani kasla pertai ban in yo ban ya chakmat pan naga benta ki kami lek kai hamtam ngau yupi kapor kala dei banginang yai bangin be ya ki wei pat ki state ki bala hamtam chakmat ban ini ngam i bakan don ga jing duna ngam i bagi kena jungi ki telat bangam i bagi kena jungi ki numla tamaki don kam ya ga jing betel lenti kata ga dei bokong santam i don kam ya ga jing yaisha i don kam ya ga jing trailang i don kam ya ga jing trai sitam kata ka dei bokong santam kam dei ka basuk ong ipi handai ngangai scam ba ka jing themu bat ka jing thrang ka jongi na kaliang sarkar ban kentiu kami la ka kanum kut no handai wala da kalong kum neru imla ban susong ayi ni hab ban trai imat ngila hab ban ya lang bat nu khanyang jingpang da bang ya dai la di pat iwei nei bang susong sa ayeng temut ki kam kila sakut lot PE nakapor syukapor ya ki statement ki jong u honorable chief minister PE ki statement ki jong a bangi kran nakabenta ka jingpen khre nakabenta ka national game ka 39 national game ka banlong po mi khalia but kita ki jingpen khre ki jongi ong ipi wat hapedeng jong uni uknyang jingpang ru mi persangkat bala ban pentelun bayi kakam ban iso komen sikat dai bayakan ni ka stadium ka bah apo tura ka ba ladap ban mang kumba sispa arsan kror na ka ministry jong ka minorities but kalong sya ka ika ka ba sukumen ba ladap ban bu yu umau foundation ru but shen kani ka kam ngatharai kanum muslim ban sedang no banyak chakmat but kumju sukumen ban ong ipi baya ka GN complex ka ba PE menta ngin sa le ya ka renovation but kumju ban facelift ban pedi tenat ya kata ka existing GN complex ka bangi imenta ka ba sukumen pat kalong ba hapo GN complex haka fifth ground in satay ka indoor stadium ka ba itenat ba impala ban peni ba andre pinsui ki drawing ki architect soal ki bale ki betebet ki design ki ba le ki betebet bat ngangai scam ba katai ka stadium indoor stadium kan dai sisa ka jingman ra apat ya ka jingkela ya ka durgadar jong ka sports hapo ka jela ka jongi ka national game kala banwan kala ban lai handai kan mau ba kani kan dai ka aset jong ka state ka jongi sujunam na ka benta jong pi kinong ila kai bat ki briu ki ba sports kata ka di badan kami ngimdon ki infrastruktur ki babiang apa ke state ke jongi ngidon kat tukan ni existing indoor stadium handai ngong ipi kat kum ka jingya jong kapor ngila don kam ya ki international standard stadium ki babiang ladang idon kum kita ngangai scam mangila ban wanra ya ki competition ki bapher wala dadai makna ki international competition ki ban pelong ni po state ke jongi kam don jing phet kam don jing e hanweng I don kam ya ka jing e trai lang jong ki nong song snong hapo ka jalla jungi hi bro kawai ka mekhlya kala job ya ka jalla Arunachal Pradesh kani kalong kai ka maujam kan ong no kalong ka jingjob ka ba nang ai men sim ya ki khon samla ki jongi bagi nang la ban kiu chaprang haga kamila kai kham tam e kalong shisha ka buram na banta ka state ka jongi in ai mar 10,000 marwei ka song tingka chapi umdei shu shakatim ngong sham individual mut marwei pinyo 10,000 tingka bangin ai nakaliang ka sports jongi nakaliang ka sports department la pen kre gani but ngangai lada kadai ka baret na ne ka baheru kandai shisha ka jing mentoy na ka banta jungi lang baro kibayo ya kani ka song manta asni.
Please give a big hand to the coach.
At the small was very well. We also have the guy defense center there. He's from Oman.
Karate black belt. He is a former national champion and has represented India in karate at the World Cup in Thailand in 2015. He will also be receiving a cash prize of 10,000.
And we also have Coach Barbara G. Moman. She's not here. We congratulate both the coaches. They have spent a lot of time since the girls category high jump in the 31st East Zone Junior Athletic Championship 2019 held at Jharkhand. She's also a consistent member of the state and 800 meter under 16 boys category 31st East Zone Junior Athletic Championship held at Jharkhand. He is the first junior athlete to attend
8 years were able to emerge as champion of the 60th edition of the Under-17 Subrata Cup International Football Tournament, which was held in August.
Jharkhand. He also is the 6th position holder in the under-18 third Kilo India held in Guwahati and also selected by the Sai Excellence Center, Guwahati. And here comes now, we're waiting for the East Zone Junior Athletic Championship 2019 held at Jharkhand. He's a very silent athlete and a very promising jumper of our state. He got a good
India. And he's also the head coach of the Meghalaya Karate team. And under his guidance, along with, we have a small message from the coach, Mopi. He said that this award will certainly lift the spirits and inspire not only the athletes for this school. So please, a big hand to the winners HES school. I also request the captain, Gladi Nelson Hutton. They will also be receiving a cash prize of 10,000 for each player.
Credit complete, captain of the team, please, on behalf of all the other participants, to please select who is the person behind the team, and also we have the manager B.K. Please come forward, manager of the team. Please come forward. B.K. for outstanding performance and have displayed good individual skills, and most of all have proved to have a strong and great team spirit. They deserve